Hi, Seth Burgett here from Gateway Bronco. We're at SEMA. We're in the Eaton booth in Central Hall, and we're talking about this Bronco. It's a Bronco for charity. You can win it. Go to gatewaybronco/win. It's for the Special Operators Transition Foundation, and you can win this Bronco by going to our website. It's just that simple. What we're doing is we're supporting veterans by transitioning from their military career into their commercial life, civilian life, working in companies as managers, directors, and executives. Now this Bronco is set up so you could win it. It's an Eaton supercharger. It's a TVS technology inside from Roush Performance. We then wrap around this vehicle. We have all billet aluminum wheels, custom made just for Gateway Bronco. Willwood brakes all the way around. We've got a Kenzer Engineering chassis with active ride control at the flip of a switch. We've got this interior, which is over the top, distressed leather interior, leather wrapped roll bar, and barnwood bed and back and on the tailgate. The exterior is a matte finish paint. It's got painted Ranger stripes. Nobody else in the industry did this before us. This is an unbelievable thing. Carbon fiber flares every time. So all stainless exhaust built from front to back by our craftsmen at Gateway Bronco. Comes with a 7-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. It's got it all. All you've got to do is go to gatewaybronco/win. Enter to win. No purchase necessary. This could be your dream in your driveway soon.